cannot tell me that I don't look good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Sophia, and for today's video, we're gonna be doing this look. I'm gonna be attempting to do this ABG look that you see right here. You know, some lashes. I honestly don't even know where ABG term came from and what it looks like. From the trend that's going on, it's like long eyelashes, like kind of like natural bright makeup. So this is what I came up with. It was a journey. So if you want to see and just, you know, get ready with me, if you want to vibe with me, then please keep on watching. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Literally setting this up has been the most challenging thing I've ever done in my life. I prepped my skin already, so we're gonna start with our primer. I'm using the e.l.f. mineral primer. I'm just gonna put that to cover my pores. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna set our face, because I saw somebody do this on TikTok and their makeup just looked flawless, so we're just gonna do it, you know what I mean? I'm gonna use the matte finish Finny Matte. There we go. I'm not even gonna pretend like I don't look like a hot mess right now, because I do. That's why we're doing this video. We're just gonna do our foundation first. I just bought this brush. It's a foundation brush. Usually I use a beauty blender, but I want to try it with a brush, so we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna be using Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. Usually I do my eyebrows first, but we're not doing that today. And then I'm gonna mix that in with this Morphe foundation in the shade of Hint of Almond. Oh my god, I look so white. I look so scary. This is the shade. Don't panic. Everyone, trust the process. Moving on to our concealer, I'm gonna be using Rare Beauty in shade 270N. I'm just gonna do this on my eyelids for funsies. I'm gonna be using the Colourpop in medium dark. I definitely don't want to put too much because I want this look to be like bright. I tend to always over contour and like over bronze my face, so we're not gonna do that today. Switching my brush. Oh wow, that blended out really nicely. Okay, so this is like a blending brush then. Well, duh. It says it literally says it on the wand. Now I'm gonna try to bake my under eyes. I'm gonna use this little sponge. Bake that. So then I'm gonna quickly brush it off with a brush. I'm gonna do a little bronze moment. I'm gonna be using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Okay, I'm gonna set my face and then put on our blush because I'm using a liquid blush. Okay, while that's wet, I'm gonna put my blush. The way it's gonna work is it's gonna work. You know what they say, you can never have too much blush. Okay, now that I look like I've been punched in the face several times, we're gonna move on. I feel like it's really gonna come together once I get my brows together. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using Edge Tamer to glue them down, but I kind of messed up and left it unopened, so it kind of looks like this. It's all dried. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill that in with my NYX brow tint pen. We're just gonna fill them in. This is the Ultimate Edit palette by NYX. I'm gonna use the darker shade and I'm gonna put that in our outer corners and create a little wing. Okay, girl. We're gonna do our mascara now. Moving on, moving on. Ow! You know what I used to do? I used to use lighter and heat up like the metal part and then put it on my eyes so that it's warm enough to like curl them. But I realized that that's a little too dangerous. Okay, but that's kind of cute though. You thought we're done? No, we're gonna use some lashes. So I'm choosing between this by Kiss or the OG lashes that I use on my TikToks. We're gonna go with this one. Getting this adhesive out is the struggle. Sometimes they put too much adhesive on the band. Patience is a virtue. All good things comes to those who wait. Good boys finish last. What? Ah! She's cute. Okay, finishing up. Let's go. Ah! All right, let's do highlight. I'm gonna use this brush to highlight and I'm gonna use my Milani in shade Champagne. She is looking promising. Let's spray myself with this Rare Beauty. This is my favorite overall spray. You can use it for priming, for setting, and it has a dewy finish. Also, if you guys didn't know, Rare Beauty is made in Korea. And that's why it's so gorgeous and flawless. Now I'm gonna pack in that highlight. Okay, it's like a light shimmer moment. Just a little dot in the middle, you know. A little something right here. Damn, I told you to trust the process. Look at her. I'm gonna be using the NYX lip liner, Free Spirit, and I'm gonna top that off with the Praline NYX Butter Gloss. Don't come at me. I know there's harsh lines. Oh, excuse me, skin. You are not wanted. Putter up, buttercup. Ah, look at her. Okay. See, when you trust the process, this is what happens. Okay, it's the journey that counts, and look at the end results. Are we flawless? Are we looking good? Okay, hair is definitely gonna go down. I'm definitely proud of this look. I look like I can be a toothpaste commercial. Colgate, Sensodyne, Crest. Ah! If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! We're done.